If you've been paying thousands to developers or struggling with no-code complex tools, stop. I just built a fully functional, monetizable web app in minutes using one single prompt. You need to see this. Let me show you. I have opened my Mocha dashboard and I'm going to click Create a new app. And here I'm going to simply type a directory for AI tools. Then I'm going to click the button and let's see what happens. And here you right now see in front of you live generating the application. It's building with the main browser interface and then have a search and filtering capabilities. And while the AI is working, this is amazing because it's not just a landing page or a UI wrapper. It automatically sets up the backend, database, and user authentication, login with Gmail without touching a single line of code. And voila, I have ready my directory for AI tools, and it's fully functional. I have the feature tools, which I can click and it redirects to every specific tool. If I scroll a bit lower, I have the filters for all the tools. And also at the top, there is the search bar, so I can search a specific tool. For example, if I type meat, it automatically pops up all the tools that match this keyword search. And after the project is done, I can speak with the AI and do changes or upgrade the version. For example, here it suggested me 5 changes. Add individual tool detail pages with full descriptions, or add a form for users to suggest a new tool, or add more tools to the directory. So for example, I can add the form, submit, and the AI will work on that on my behalf without me doing anything or touching any line of code. Introducing Mocha, the all-in-one solution. Mocha replaces the need for multiple subscriptions like Vercel, Supabase, or even Clerk. With Mocha, you have seamless integrations. You have the dashboard of the application you build, and inside that, you have the database. So when you click data, here you will have all the development and production data, and it feels like a spreadsheet or Notion, making it incredibly easy to manage all of your application's data. Also, now I just published my application and it's live. I copy the URL Mocha created for me. I visit it and you can see the application is working. I can even suggest an app that I showed you before. And for example, I can type Gemini. I filled all the information and then I submit suggestion. And you can see I submitted my suggestion in my newly created app. And when I go on data, you can see that my suggestions are listed in my data dashboard. Another great feature that they just launched is the Mocha Fetch. Here is where it is importing data from other websites into my website. And I gave it the command, can you fetch data from github.com/copilot to populate into my website? And right now, it is scanning the other website and fetching data from there to populate my own. And in that way, what it does, it populates your new website, eliminating manual data entry and speeding up the build process. And you can even build on your first command. I asked it, please find other AI tools from GitHub and add them in my directory. And you can see it added 18 new AI tools in my existing directory without me doing anything. And to show you how easy it is to start monetizing your application, I'm just right now speaking with my AI to make a paid version of my newly built application. All I did, I asked him integrate Stripe. It asked me, what do I want to charge for? So I said, charge for premium directory access. And it asked me some more questions. And now it integrated the Stripe feature. Then I click add Stripe checkout for premium subscriptions, submit, and it's working on it. And after that, all you need is your Stripe API keys. It will ask it for you here. You add your Stripe API keys. I'm just giving it a test one, and it immediately makes the changes. And here is the final ready app. I logged in with my Gmail, and at the top there is an upgrade button. I can click on it and immediately pay for the subscription that a couple of minutes ago just created. I click upgrade, and then it will ask me for my credit card information. And another great feature of Get Mocha is the automated emails. I just typed to my AI, set up an automated welcome email that sends a personalized greeting to new users as soon as they sign up for the directory. And you can see the AI responded back and set up a welcome email that goes out automatically when someone signs up. And he took a look at the sign up flow and added the email inside without me doing anything. And then later, it checked if the welcome email actually goes on. And he responded, done. New users will now receive a personalized welcome email as soon as they sign up. The email greets them by name, explains what AI Vault offers, and includes a button to start exploring the directory without me doing anything. And I can see all the changes the AI did and how long it took it. And of course, in settings of your app, you can change the project name, description, the project size, visibility, if there is a watermark, the preview when you send your link. And also, you can connect a customized purchase domain that you have. Or if you don't, you can just buy it immediately from here. So you have a complete brand control. Mocha Email allows you to have the built-in email functionality and send automated welcome emails or notifications without third-party tools. And also, you have the native analytics. Here you can have integrated analytics dashboard to track visitors' behavior in real time. If you have a SaaS idea you've been sitting on, click the link in the description to try Mocha's Max Mode and build it this weekend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and leave in the comments any questions you may have and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and seeing you in the next video.